Chabori Chat.
Today we're going to be talking about something very, very important. Today's episode is no laughing matter. It's about a scandal. A very, very dark scandal. Josh, what scandal are we talking about? Well, for your information, Small Crusader guy, it's a very recent and very troubling, tragic scandal. Its name involves food. No, not pizza. Candy. Today, we're going to be covering the Sour Patch Kids scandal. What in the Holy Land is the Sour Patch Kids scandal? Well, Small Crusader man, why do you have to say my name every time you talk to me? I don't know. I kind of like your name.
Isn't that a little gay?
It's not homosexual. You just have a cool name. I'm jealous. I'm not attracted to it. Okay, so if you didn't know, Sour Patch Kids have been just mistreated. They try to defend themselves from us humans so that we won't eat them. Yet we eat them time and time again. And we blame them as the bad guys. We call them sour when deep down they just want to be loved.
Are you single? Missing your friends this Valentine's Day? From the makers of Sour Patch Kids, Reverse Cupid!
What's up? I'm Reverse Cupid and I'm here to help you get your friends back.
All these horrid commercials just making them look like bad guys. They're not bad guys. They're great people. So what happened to the Sour Patch Kids that makes it a scandal? I'll get to that. Recently, there has been a mass murder of Sour Patch Kids. And it's all taken place at Dairy Queen. The Sour Patch Kids Blizzard. Sour Patch Kids, while their hearts are still beating, are thrown into a blender and shred up so that they can be eaten in ice cream. What? That's horrible! I mean, it does sound quite painful to be thrown into a blender. Nah dips, Sherlock. Of course it's painful. How could I know if it's painful if I've never experienced it? Well, how about we let you experience it, huh? I don't think that'll be necessary. Yeah, it won't be. Something needs to be done about these Sour Patch Kids that are getting murdered. Oh, wait a minute. It's 2019. If I want something to happen, all I have to do is protest about it, and nobody will listen, because it doesn't matter. Breaking news! There appears to be a deranged man protesting in front of a Dairy Queen. Sunday morning started off easy for the town of Louisville, Kentucky, until all of a sudden, a strange young man appeared protesting in front of the Dairy Queen. Just listen to what he's saying.
Sour Patch Kids are people too! Stop Sour Patch murder! Sour Patch Kids are people too! Stop Sour Patch murder!
What is a lad like that doing out there? I don't know, Jim, but I sure hope all the families who went out to get a nice Sunday after church stay safe.
Number 15, here's your Sour Patch Kid Blizzard.
Wait, Sour Patch Kid Blizzard? I didn't want a Sour Patch Kid Blizzard. Patch Kid, I am really hot, so I mean, I guess I'll try it. It's not half bad, actually. I don't know what I was complaining about. Hey guys, just wanted to say thanks for watching. Sorry this video took a month to come out. I'll be making some more videos more frequently now because I'm back from Poland. If you didn't know, I went to Poland, so now I can make videos. Like and subscribe, I guess. Y'all yeet.